Hi, thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Today we're going to be learning how to draw the Gingerbread Man. I'm excited, I hope you guys are as well. Well, let's hop to it, let's go see what we can come up with. For the first step in making our Gingerbread Man, we're going to begin by making a cool Santa hat. Now directly below the hat that we just made, we're going to make two C-like shapes, which will be the Gingerbread Man's head. Awesome start. Now we're going to begin to make our Gingerbread Man's body. In the left hand, we're going to make it appear as if our Gingerbread Man is holding a candy cane. Let's go ahead and let's add some detail to our candy cane as well as to our Gingerbread Man. Inside of the torso, we're going to make two circles. Last but not least, we're going to go ahead and we're going to give our Gingerbread Man a face. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and now come color your Gingerbread Man with us.